Hi everyone, you're welcome again to my channel. This is Skin Illustrations with Cindy. In today's video, I'll be making a tutorial on how you can make your super effective whitening scrub. I would like you to stay right here with me while we make this video together. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please guys, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click on that subscription button. And don't forget to click on the notification bell to alert you anytime I post a new video. Thank you guys and stay right here. Okay guys, for the super effective whitening body scrub, I'll be making use of my Yoko Spa Salt. This is a cup of it. Then to it, I'll also be adding my sea salt. Sea salt is a very great exfoliating agent and is good for body scrubs. And this is my alpha arbuthnol powder. This is my Gigawhite powder. I'll be mixing it with propylene glycol before I add to my body scrub. And here is my salicylic powder. I'll be adding just a pinch of it to the body scrub. It's also a very good exfoliator. And here I have my body wash. I'm using Glutathione body wash for this mix. Also, I'll be adding my Glutathione Comprime Super Fort to the body scrub. Here I have my Clair Serum. Also, I'll be adding my Eclat Serum and my Gluta C concentrate. Is an intense whitening serum. It contains vitamin C and papaya exfoliants. So you guys know what I am talking about. Also, I will be adding my Glutathione oil to the mix and my Skin Freedom. Don't worry yourself, I'll be leaving the measurements in my description box for you to see the measurements I'm using for the super effective whitening body scrub. Then to the mix, I will also be adding my charm water. Charm water is for anti-reaction and is also very good for smoothing of the skin. And to the mix, I will also add my almond oil. Almond oil is a very good aromatic oil. It's usually used for aromatherapy, good for relaxing of the skin and for removing dead cells and exfoliating of the skin. Then I will also be adding my Piment Doux serum. Piment Doux serum whitens the skin and also good for smoothing of the skin. So guys, these are the ingredients I'm using for today's production. Please do not go anywhere. Stay right here with me while we mix these together to come up with a super effective whitening body scrub. Okay guys, let's quickly mix our super effective whitening body scrub. In here I have my Yoko Spa. I'm going to pour it into this bowl. Then I'll be adding my alpha arbuthnol powder. Don't worry, I will leave the measurements in the description box for you to see the measurements. Then I'll also be adding my salicylic acid. This is my sea salt. I'll be adding my sea salt to the mix. And I'll be adding my alpha arbuthnol powder. Then Then I'll be adding a tablespoonful of my Skin Freedom. I'll be adding a tablespoonful of my Gluta C Super Whitening Serum. I'll be adding my Piment Doux. And my Glutathione Comprime Super Salt. Also, I'll be adding my Eclat Serum. And my Eclat Serum. Also, I'll be adding my Almond Oil. Almond oil is an aromatic oil, very good for exfoliation and also clear skin differentiation and discoloration of the skin. I'll also be adding my Gigawhite oil. Is a very good whitening oil. And also moisturizes the skin and is a superb oil for today's mix. Then I'll be adding my charm water. Charm water is an anti-reaction solution and prevents a reaction on the skin. Then finally I'll be adding my body wash to the mix. Afterwards, I will mix thoroughly. When you are done, store up in a container for future use. I'm glad you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit on that subscription button and click on the notification bell to alert you anytime I post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please like it, share and give it a huge thumbs up. Till next time guys, I still remain yours, Cindy.